Windows play a crucial role in the energy efficiency of your home. In Rockville, where seasonal weather variations range from hot, humid summers to cold, snowy winters, having the right windows can significantly impact comfort and energy costs. Understanding how windows affect energy efficiency can help homeowners make informed decisions that lead to lower utility bills and a more sustainable home environment. The role of windows in energy efficiency. Windows contribute to both heat loss and heat gain in a home. Poorly insulated or outdated windows allow warm air to escape in the winter and hot air to infiltrate in the summer. This forces HVAC systems to work harder, leading to higher energy consumption and increased costs. Energy-efficient windows are designed to minimize these temperature fluctuations, helping to regulate indoor climate and reduce the strain on heating and cooling systems. How window glass affects energy use. The type of glass used in windows has a major impact on energy efficiency. Many modern windows feature low emissivity, low E, coatings, which reflect infrared heat while allowing natural light to pass through. This means that during the summer, low E coatings help keep heat out, while in the winter, they prevent indoor warmth from escaping. Double-pane or triple-pane windows with gas fills, such as argon or krypton, offer additional insulation, reducing heat transfer between indoor and outdoor environments. These advanced glazing technologies enhance energy performance and improve home comfort throughout the year. The importance of window frames. While glass is important, the frame material also plays a key role in window efficiency. Some of the most common energy-efficient window frame materials include vinyl frames, affordable, durable, and excellent at reducing heat transfer. Fiberglass frames, highly durable with superior insulating properties. Wood frames, naturally insulating but require more maintenance. Aluminum frames, strong and lightweight but less efficient unless equipped with a thermal break to prevent heat conduction. Choosing the right frame material can enhance your home's insulation and help reduce energy loss. Preventing air leaks and drafts. One of the biggest culprits of energy waste in Rockville homes is air leakage around windows. Cracks, gaps, and poorly sealed frames allow outside air to infiltrate, making it difficult to maintain a stable indoor temperature. This results in higher energy bills, increased strain on HVAC systems, uncomfortable indoor conditions. Properly installed, energy-efficient windows with high-quality weather stripping and sealants help prevent drafts, keeping your home comfortable while minimizing energy waste. The impact of window placement and design. The placement and design of windows can also affect energy efficiency. South-facing windows allow more natural heat and light in during the winter, reducing the need for artificial heating. However, in the summer, these same windows can contribute to excessive heat gain. Solutions such as window coverings, overhangs, or tinting can help manage sunlight exposure and optimize energy efficiency. Energy savings and cost benefits. Replacing old, inefficient windows with energy-efficient models can lead to substantial savings. According to the U.S. Department of Energy, Upgrading to Energy Star certified windows can save homeowners up to $465 annually in heating and cooling costs. In Rockville, where temperature extremes are common, the savings can be even more significant. In addition to lower energy bills, investing in energy-efficient windows can increase home resale value, improve indoor comfort, reduce environmental impact. Rebates and incentives for energy-efficient windows. Maryland offers various rebates and incentives for homeowners upgrading to energy-efficient windows. Rockville residents may be eligible for federal tax credits for energy-efficient home improvement, utility company rebates for window replacement, local energy efficiency programs offering financial assistance. Taking advantage of these programs can help offset the initial cost of window upgrades and provide long-term financial benefits. Professional installation matters. Even the most energy-efficient windows won't perform well if they're not properly installed. Poor installation can lead to gaps, leaks, and inefficiencies that counteract the benefits of high-performance windows. Working with a professional installer ensures proper sealing and insulation, and maximum energy efficiency, long-lasting window performance. Hiring experienced professionals for window replacement ensures your investment pays off in the form of lower energy costs and increased home comfort. Final thoughts. Windows are a critical component of energy efficiency in Rockville homes. From advanced glass technology to durable frames and proper sealing, energy-efficient windows provide long-term benefits, including lower energy bills, improved home comfort, and enhanced sustainability. If you're considering upgrading your windows, investing in high-quality, professionally installed energy-efficient options can make a significant difference in both cost savings and overall home performance.